Hey everybody, Dan with Feldmann Imports here. Today we have a 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLB 250 4MATIC. This vehicle for sale comes in a black exterior with a black interior. Sunroof, blind spot assist. Come around to the back of the vehicle. See our GLB 250, Mercedes-Benz, and 4MATIC badging. And we have a power opening and closing trunk. Push button to close. Look at our rear seats next. Quick look up at the front of the vehicle. And let's look at our driver's side next. So we have power memory seats. You can see the controls here. Door controls. Driver's seat with lumbar support. Steering wheel. And let's hop inside. Mileage in this vehicle currently at 43,688. Do have a push button ignition. And here we have our Mercedes-Benz touchscreen display. So you can just use the display just like that to make your selections. There's also a little command module right down here that you can also make selections as well. So currently showing radio and backup camera. Below the display we have our climate controls and Mercedes-Benz shifter.
How can I help?
If you're interested in getting additional information about this vehicle, just see our website, feldmanimports.com.